This is video 1 for lesson 4 on monatomic ionic compound nomenclature for unit 5. So with this, we are going to use this flow chart along with what we've already talked about with ion charges to begin to name ionic compounds. And we're going to have this flow chart to guide us through naming. So we're going to start right here. So just going to put a little star there for starting. So does the cation have more than one available charge? So this is the first element. So we've already talked about things like aluminum, potassium, sodium, boron having just one available charge. But things like iron, gold, lead, they have more than one available charge. So we're going to go over the no side first. So, does the cation have more than one available charge? No. So all we do is name the cation using its full element name, then name the anion by dropping the ending and adding IDE. No prefixes. Since we're dealing with charges, there's only one possibility written in lowest terms for this combination of a cation and anion. So I'm just going to look at a couple examples. If I were to give you this compound, KCl, I look up K on the periodic table, and it only has one possible charge, +1. All I have to do is name that cation, the first element, with its full element name, so potassium. Name the anion by dropping the ending and adding IDE. Chlorine becomes chloride. So we would not say potassium monochloride. That would be marked incorrect. It is potassium chloride. If I looked at this compound, Na2O, and I look up Na on the periodic table, Na only has one possible charge, so I name it sodium. Name the second ion, the anion, by dropping the ending and adding IDE. Oxygen becomes oxide. It would not be disodium monoxide. It would just be sodium oxide. So that's the easy side. We'll look in the next video for the other side. And now you can work on this worksheet that says naming monatomic ions 1, simple ions. So all of these follow this scheme right here. Does the cation have more than one available charge? No. So this worksheet is going to have you practice writing names for these examples.